Hello. Today, let's measure us up for a walking stick. It's really easy. There are a lot of Nordic walking sticks on the market. And we can measure it up if we wear the same shoes as we will wear while we have the sporty activity or the hiking activity. And then we stand flat on the floor, and there should be in our elbow 90 degrees angle. If you reach that, you can try your Nordic walking sticks while you're walking away. And if you feel that's the right dimension, that's your stick, baby. That's really easy, or oh yeah, that's simple steps on how to measure for a walking stick. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. See you soon.